As you can see here, it says maintenance required. No, you do not have to see your dealer. You just have to know how to get to the menu. So what we'll do here is on the steering wheel, we'll hit the exit button until we get to some menu like this. And then we'll use the left and right arrows until we get to the gear icon. Now you use the up and down arrows to get down to vehicle settings. Once you are in vehicle settings, push down and hold the OK button until you get into the vehicle settings menu. From here, scroll down to scheduled maintenance and push OK to reset the maintenance. It'll ask for confirmation if that's what you really wanted to do. Scroll up and hit the yes and hit OK. And the reset's complete. Now you can just use the back button to get back out to whichever menu it was on originally, or whatever menu you'd like to see it on. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you like this kind of video, please click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.